Paws and paws.
I'm saying.
I want to go there. What are you doing?
Yeah, we're gonna walk there now, Robert.
Which way? I think, oh, that's the wildlife theater. Okay, we're here. Yeah, we got this way. Oh, this is the evening, right? No. Do I have to take a picture of this?
You get to dig up 3 and keep 1. Grab your stick right there and you go dig.
What do they do? Just take a
You get to dig up 3 and keep 1. You grab your stick and you go dig.
grab a stick, Nicole. Nicole, take a stick and go dig. A stick.
You can go in there and help yourself.
All right, Robert, you got one?
Nicole, come on.
So hold on to it. You can dig for 2 more.
You get to dig up 3 and keep 1,
Come on,
all
let's
right?
go dig, Nicole. Okay, can you get How do you want to dig? Get to dig.
Hey, Jennifer. Come in.
Bye, you need a stick.
Alright, you get to dig up 3 and keep 1. You grab a stick right there and you go dig.
Go ahead, Rebecca. Go ahead and get a stick. I'm going to go in and videotape.
Huh?
I'll go in and videotape.
Oh, you can go in?
Yeah, you can go in.
Okay.
Anything yet, Kelly? Don't worry, they're there.
Kelly, can you look up there? Kelly?
Robert found 2.
How cute. Kelly, can you look up? This is mine.
Let's go there, bro. Come on, follow me.
I found one.
Let me see a close-up of it. All right, that's 1. Hold on to it.
I found 2 others, but they were into berries.
Oh. 2.
I'm gonna find a berry that I found one.
Just don't say it too loud, okay?
It's the third one. I put it back. I found a ring. Your pile. You're done digging. That's all you can get. Daddy! Daddy!
Yes. Get up there. Okay, gotta get another one. Yeah.
Keep digging. You can dig in another spot if you want. I'll keep digging wherever you want to dig. That was really interesting over there. No, don't do that. Don't do that. I'm going to take this away. Daddy, I found 3. Oh, I see one right now. Look. Right, see the tail sticking out? Keep digging. Keep digging, Nicole, until you find another.
Let me see one, Kelly.
Okay, keep 1 and bring 2 and put 2 in the back.
I got 2.
No, they're different.
Okay, keep 1 and Okay, that's all. Yeah, find 3.
That's it, guys?
Come on, that's enough. You found too many of them. Come on.
No, put you can only have 3. Give one back and keep 1. Robert, look at, I found this one, little foot. You have 2 of them? You can be 1. Wow.
It doesn't matter.
You're good at this. And here, Kelly. Oh, Kelly, look at that down here.
That's all you need. You don't need to keep 1.
Three!
Let me see, get a close-up of them. Which one are you going to keep?
I don't know.
One or none, that's what it comes down to.
Which one are you going to keep, Kelly?
Someone more on this side. I don't know.
See that?
No, you're not supposed to let him take the apple, Kelly.
That was
Robert,
Robert.
you have to hold it tight. Give Robert the other apple. Hold it tight, Robert.
I don't take
Stick your hand out, Robert. Don't worry. Don't pet him. She wants to go to you, Kelly. Stick your hand out, Kelly.
You want him on here? Then put your apple right in his face so we can eat it.
Kelly, stick your hand out so she can do it for you.
He likes the white part of the apple.
No.
You had enough?
Come on, come on.
I have no more. Hey, stay there. No more.
Hold it tight, don't grab it.
Hun, take a picture of me. Hun, take a picture. The bird's on my shoulder.
Yeah, you want to feed it? And I'll videotape you feeding it?
It's running.
Danielle, do you want another bird?
Let it go back. Oh, wait. Go back a little. Okay, that's good.
One went on you for a little while.
Ah, he's trying to pick your nose. All right, hon. Should I videotape the kids?
Yeah.
Hi, Callie. How do you like the bird?
Mary, apple.